Among the things that are permissible to eat are the zebras. Now, the zebras are not donkeys. So what's prohibited for Muslims to eat is the domestic donkeys. And of course, mules are also prohibited to eat because they are an example of the rule I've mentioned earlier. Whenever there are two conflicting rules, one permits and one prohibits, we give weight to the one that prohibits. So as they say, I don't know, they say that a mule is a result of a domestic donkey mating with a horse, and this what results from that. I personally don't know. I don't have enough or sufficient knowledge in zoology or whatever they call it in the animal world, but this is what I had read, and feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. Even I remember some folks say that mules don't have offspring, but I still don't know how authentic this is. So mules, because of the mixed parents of it, and one of them is a domestic donkey, it becomes also haram to consume, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. While zebras, being wild donkeys, are halal to consume. And of course, you cannot catch them, you usually hunt them. But if you were to catch one and you would like to eat it, it has to be slaughtered properly.